Next question. Balance sheet is given. Liability side capital, general reserve, creditors and bill payable, asset side fixed assets, current assets and prepaid advertisement. Okay. So why is the balance sheet given? To find out the capital employed. So let's find out the capital employed first. Capital employed, one formula which we can use is fixed asset plus current asset minus your current liabilities. So current liabilities here is creditors and bills payable. Other capital and general reserve are inside liabilities. Okay. So fixed assets plus current assets minus current liabilities. So let's find out capital employed, which we have to find here in this question. Fixed assets 85,000 plus current assets 50,000 minus current liabilities, that is minus 40,000 minus 5,000, that comes up to 90,000. So your capital employed comes up to 90,000. Okay. The other way of finding capital employed is capital plus reserves, here general reserves, minus prepaid expenses. So other way is, what you can do is 77,500 plus 22,500 minus 10,000 is also 90,000. So either way you can find out the capital employed. Now in the following were net profits of the firm for the last 3 years. The 3 years and the profits is given 19,500, 22,500 and 30,000. The profits is given here. So we need to find out the average profit here. So 19,500 plus 22,500 plus 30,000, that comes up to 72,000. So average profit is total profit 72,000 divided by number of years 3. So average profit is 24,000. Okay. You are required to ascertain the value of goodwill at 2 times super profit, means number of years of purchase is 2. The standard rate of return on capital employed being 15%, means normal rate of return is 15% as it is given in the question. So our step 1, see 3 steps, N, S, G. So first step, normal profit, जो भी capital employed है, into normal rate of return, percentage is your normal profit. So normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. So this will be capital employed. We have found out 90,000. So 90,000 into what is the normal rate of return? 15%. General business gives 15% return of this industry. So 15% normal rate of return. So your normal profit comes out to 13,500. Now let's calculate super profit. Super profit, the formula is average profit or actual profit minus normal profit. So we have also calculated average profit 24,000 over here. So 24,000 is what we earn. Normal profit, what the industry, other business in the industry generally earns. So normal profit is 13,500. So average profit minus normal profit, what we earn over and above the normal profit is our super profit. So that comes up to 10,500. Now goodwill. So goodwill, the formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit 10,500 multiplied by number of years of purchase, which is given in the question. Value of goodwill at 2 times of super profit means 2 years of purchase, and the goodwill value comes up to 21,000. 10,500 into 2.